Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we have another very special Swatch Chronograph watch from 1992 to 1993 that is in mint condition. As you can see, it has the original box and papers with the original strap. This is the blue chip SCK101. So let's have a look at the watch. When you have vintage Swatch watches that come with the original strap, you can see that there are a few signs that the strap is quite old. So there is a big chance that the watch strap can actually break when you wear it. But there are a lot of Swatch collectors that want to keep these watches with the original straps in their original boxes. So this is a great Swatch collector piece with all functions. It keeps perfect time. Also, we can see that the chrono function is in very good working condition. We can start, stop it, then we can simply reset it. So this is a very nice watch. Let's also have a look at the box. As you can see here on the back, we have a few more Swatch Chronograph watches. So if you are interested in seeing more about them, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also check out our website, vintageradar.com, link in the description, because we have all of these watches for sale. So this is the original watch box that the watch came with, and you can see here that this one was purchased in 1995. And we also have the papers, and you can actually see them. Let's take them out. Here they are. You can see that there is no reference number or the dealer stamp and signature from the beginning. Let me show you an example from a different Swatch watch from the same collection. You can see that you have the stamp from the dealer that sold the watch, also the reference number, and then you have the year, so the exact date when the watch was purchased from Swatch. So these are very collectible papers that usually, if they come with the original box and the actual watch, have more value compared to the watch by itself or to the watch without the papers, irrespective if the watch is in working condition or not. So guys, this is another very highly collectible piece from our website. It will be listed soon, so you can see the exact condition of the watch. And I believe that this is a very beautiful mint condition vintage 90s Swatch Chrono that some of you might be interested in. So once again, if you enjoy this kind of content, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, and also see you on the next one.